Welcome. Today we're looking at mathematical signs. Sometimes we use mathematical signs to represent data. So the signs that we use will be representing statements, expressions, or mathematical ideas. The four basic operations use the signs that we know. So we have addition sign, multiplication sign, subtraction sign, and the division sign. And then we also use the equals. We say the equal sign, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. And when we go to our number system, we also use signs or symbols. So for our natural numbers, we use capital letter N. For the whole numbers, we use NO. And then we find that natural numbers can be whole numbers, but not all whole numbers are natural numbers. For example, 0 is not a natural number. And then for integers, we use Z. So our integers also can be whole numbers, they can be natural numbers, but not all natural numbers and whole numbers are integers. For example, our integers have negative whole numbers, but then for our whole numbers, we say we start from 0, so not all numbers are not integers. And then from our integers, we have our rational numbers. The rational numbers, these are numbers that we can represent as fractions, and you find that the denominator and the numerator should be. Our rational numbers can be integers, for example 3 over 1. They can be whole numbers, they can be natural numbers. And then we have irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the ones that have decimals that do not repeat or terminate. And then all these numbers, if you take our rational numbers and irrational numbers, they give us the real numbers. And outside of the real numbers, we have the complex numbers. So with the complex numbers, you have your imaginary numbers, or you have numbers that are made up of real numbers and imaginary numbers. So now we want to look at application of using the signs and the knowledge that we have for our number system. So I have an exercise here. So you can pause the video now and then try to do this on your own. So the first one, we are looking at x. Is it greater than or equal to 8? So you have options there, option A, B, C, and D. So work out those problems and find which one of these is greater than or equal to 8. So you find that this is how they ask us sometimes when they're asking us about the number system or the application of the number system. So these are the type of questions that you get. And then the second one is asking you to order the numbers from least to greatest. So here you want to order your numbers in ascending order. So you have to work out first, and then you see which one is the correct answer. And then for the third one, it's asking you which one is an irrational number. So this is testing you on your recollection of the knowledge on the number system or classification of numbers. See you next time.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.